Exam Tricks 99 YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. Now we are going to discuss about November 2020 current affairs in SBA, IPPS, RRB, Reserve Bank of India, NTPC, SSC, CGL, TNBC, UPSC, other competitive exam. ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண வந்துடாதீங்க. அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போகிற எல்லா வீடியோவும் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். நவம்பர் 2020 கரண்ட் அஃபேர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. லெட்ஸ் பிகின் த கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர். The Reserve Bank of India has estimated that the economy will contract by dash percentage for the fiscal year 2020-2021, 9.5%. Who has been conferred with the Fertilizers Associations of Indian Golden Jubilee Award, India Golden Jubilee Award 2020 K. Subramaniam. Which series won the Best Drama Series? Best Drama Series Award at 48th International Emmys? Delhi Crime. Embassy Group has signed an MOU with which of the following state to provide educational and infrastructural support to government schools? Karnataka. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Cholamandalam Investment Finance? Vellayan Subbaiah. Which of the following hospital recently acquired Columbia Asia for 2,100 crores? Manipal Hospitals. Next questions. In November 2020, the Prime Minister of India co-chaired which editions of the ASEAN India Summit? Which edition of the ASEAN India Summit? 17th. Indian Railway launched the first ever food truck in which of the following stations? Indian Railway launched the first ever food truck in which of the following stations? Pune stations. Which state government has inked MOU with the Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship GAME? Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship GAME to support MSMEs, Micro Small Medium Enterprise, Punjab State. Who has presented with the Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award? Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award, Ruskin Bond. My Understanding of Gandhi is a special anthology. Special anthology was recently released by the president of which of the following country? Nepal. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Sixia Group? Rajkumar Rao. Who has been appointed as the new managing director and chief executive of Petronet LNG? MD and CEO Petronet LNG, Akshay Kumar Singh. Lessons life taught me unknowingly is a book written by who among the following? Anupam Kher. Next questions. Atal Bimit Vyagdi Kalyan Yojana in news recently implemented by which of the following? Employee State Insurance Corporations. Prime Minister has inaugurated Arogyavan, a garden housing medical planet and herbs in which of the following state? Gujarat. Who among the following of Indian origins is expected to co-chair Joe Biden 12-member task force to deal with COVID-19? Vivek Murthy. Important questions. India first tire park will be set up at which city? India first tire park, Kolkata. What is the name of the operation launched by the Interpol to assist in the law enforcement operations with access restricted to shareholders only? Cybercrime Collaborative Platform Techniques. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas? Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas, Kutty. Which of the following Indian city topped the list by WWF of the cities which will suffer from severe water risk in 2050? Jaipur. Which of the following state has launched a scheme for distribution of fortified rice? fortified rice. Chattigara. Book Dil We Win is authored by Dil We Win is authored by Dr. Randeep Kuleria, Dr. Sandragant Lagaria, Dr. Kanganadip Ganga. Three authors. Which of the following country is not a participant in the 2020 Malabar exercise? Not participant. 2020 Malabar exercise. Russia. The participant countries: India, United States, Japan. Next question. Aditya Puri has been appointed as the senior advisor in which of the following organizations? The Karlai Group. Which country will host the summit of the G20 group in 2023? India. 2023 India. Which bank has announced the launch of Smart Hub Merchant Solutions 3.0 for small and mid-sized enterprises? HCFC Bank. Who has launched a national portal for transgender persons. Daversand Geglad. Which organization has finally allowed Facebook-owned messaging platform WhatsApp to roll out its payment service in the country in a graded manner? NPCI. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled a state of Swami Vivekananda in which university? Jawaharlal Nehru University. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled a state of Swami Vivekananda in which university? Jawaharlal Nehru University. National Education Day or Rastriya Shiksha Divas. Rastriya Shiksha Divas is celebrated on which of the day, which is date every year? 11th November. Next question. The Banna Tiger Reserve has been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves list of the UNESCO. It has been situated in the state Madhya Pradesh. Which nation's Prime Minister has been nominated for Nobel Prize 2021? Which nation Prime Minister has been nominated for Nobel Prize 2021? Israel Prime Minister. Which private bank has been merged with Singapore-based TPS Bank India Limited, Lakshmi Vilas Bank? TPS Bank India Limited, Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Who has been elected as a Bihar Assembly Speaker? Vijay Kumar Singha. Which is Constitution Day episode? November 26. India has extended the ban on scheduled international commercial passenger flights till when? December 31. Which nation topped FIFA final ranking list for 2020? Belgium. What is the name of the project that was launched in the district of Gurgaon to fight pollution? Project Aircar. Which among the following nations failed to make it into the top 10 of FIFA ranking of 2020? Germany. Top 10 of FIFA ranking of 2020? Germany. Who has been appointed as the new independent chairman of International Cricket Council? Gray Parkley. Who is known as the father of the Indian IT industry? FC Kohli. Beaten Congress leader Tarun Gogal passed away on November 23, 2020. He was the longest serving Chief Minister of which state? CM of which state? Assam state. Which nation has formally withdrawn itself from the Treaty of Open Skies? US. Which bank has become the world's first central bank to gain 1 million Twitter followers? 1 million Twitter follows. Reserve Bank of India. Where is headquarter of where is headquarter of the Union where is headquarter of the Union for International Cancer Council? Union International Cancer Council UICC located Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland. Which state government launched Har Ghar Bunny Har Ghar Safari mission recently? Har Ghar Bunny Har Ghar Safari. Har Ghar Bunny Har Ghar Safari. Punjab state. What is the theme of World Cancer Day 2021? I am and I will. I am and I will. First ever Ampute Clinic. Next question. The first ever Ampute Clinic of India has been set up in which city? Chandigarh. Ampute Clinic. Which next question. Which word has been selected as the export language? Export language Hindi word of the year 2020. Ataminar Bharata. Important questions. Next question. Jeff Bezos has announced to step down as the CEO of Amazon from July 2021. Who will take over as the new CEO? Amazon. And Jesse. The state has launched the scheme Bank Abhiyan for Girls Empowerment. Madhya Pradesh. What is the rank of India in the Global Climate Risk Index 2021? India in the Global Climate Risk Index 2021 seventh. Who has been elected as the Vice President of the Hockey India? Mohammad Mustafa Ahmed. Next question. Mine launched by ICICI Bank. Exclusive for millennials is a saving account. India first solar based water supply project. Water supply project was launched in which of the following state? Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. The mitigation and management of COVID-19 practices from India state and UTs was recently published by which organization? Niti Aayog. Who has launched the virtual festival of Parampara Series 2020 National Festival of Music and Dance? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Which of the following recently launched SMS Pay and POS terminal for merchant to expert remote payment in partnership with Worldline? S Bank. 2020 November 2020 current affairs. Next question. MasterCard and USAID partner to launch Project Kirana. This project is associated with the promotion of women entrepreneurs. Which of the following one is observed on November 27? National Organ Donation Day. LIC of India has launched a digital applications. Ananda. D in Ananda stand for digital. Which of the following bank has been put in the red flag list? A system used for monitoring foreign portfolio investor limits. HDFC Bank. Red flag. HDFC Bank. Who has won the 2020 Turkish Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton. Who has been awarded the 2020 Emmett Legge Award? Dr. Dinesh Katre. Who authored the book titled Insomnia Army Stories? Rachna Pishat Award. Marlon Samuels is associated with which sport? Sport persons. Marlon Samuels is associated with which sport? Cricket. Which of the following state has launched the Velle Parakadi PS app? Panchayati Secretary app. Telangana state. Next questions. World Toilet Day is observed globally on 19th November. India is placed dash positions in the TACE Preparatory Risk Matrix 2020 77. Who has addressed the 33rd Stop TP Partnership Board meeting in New Delhi through the video conference? Harshvardhan. Which state government has approved to carve out Vijayagangara as a new district of the state Karnataka. Renewed author and politician Das has released his new book titled The Bottle of Belonging. Shashi Tharoor. Next question. Which state cabinet has cleared? Cabinet has cleared the proposal to rename the Ayodhya airport. Rename the Ayodhya airport as Ayodhya Purushottam Sri Ram Airport, Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Who has inaugurated the third Global Renewable Energy Investment meeting and Expo to Woo Investor? For investing in clean energy in India. Expo to Woo Investors for investing in clean energy in India. Narendra Modi ji. Thank you to all.